Evolution of Amazon. Start in 1994, when Jeff Bezos founded the company in a garage in Seattle. Depict the humble beginnings as an online bookstore and highlight its first logo and early website design. Show Amazon's rapid expansion into other product categories, the introduction of the one-click feature, and its IPO in 1997. Move through the 2000s, showcasing key innovations like Amazon Prime, 2005, AWS, Amazon Web Services, 2006, and the Kindle e-reader, 2007. Include Amazon's evolution into logistics and supply chain, with its vast warehouse and delivery networks, its acquisition of Whole Foods, and its venture into AI with Alexa and Echo devices. Show the rise of Jeff Bezos as the world's richest man, his transition out of CEO role in 2021, and current leadership under Andy Jassy. Visualize Amazon's massive impact on global e-commerce, cloud computing, media streaming, Amazon Prime Video, and smart home technology. Include key branding changes, product evolution, from books to drones, and the global reach of the company. End with futuristic concepts, drone delivery, Amazon Go stores, and potential expansion into space logistics.